So let's look at how we can use Immersive Reader in PowerPoint. Here we are with a slide, and we want this text to be read. All we will do is go up to View, Immersive Reader, and there is our text. We can click where we want to start reading.
Use Immersive Reader in
At that point, we can also change the size of the text. We can make the words closer together so we can see more being read at one time. We can change the font. We can change the background so we get rid of the glare on the screen, which would reduce the opportunities or the challenges for people who get migraines. You can have different color schemes. There are more color schemes. I personally like the sepia theme because it's not so hard on the eyes. You can also have a male voice or a female voice that's reading slower. We can also change the language, and we can have it being read in a different language. We can focus the lines, and there we have an example of PowerPoint using the Immersive Reader. And you can easily click back and forth between English and Spanish or English and whatever language you programmed so that the student can view and practice their skills.